Hey, beautiful babes. You are part of the things I love. Welcome into Sugar Fingers, your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing you in close. Y'all see my hair. Bringing you in close. See my hair, check it out. Listen, y'all might think I've already used the twist sponge, but I have not. This is just the way my hair curls up when I put my products on. But today, guess what? Your girl got her one of the twist sponge, and I'm going to use my Bella Curls. Got this from Dollar General the other day when Mikey and I were hanging out at the stores, and I kind of like this stuff. You know, it might be part of my normal hair care routine. So this is the twist sponge little set that I got off of Amazon. I ordered it, showed up at the door, and girl, I'm about to use it. This one is a DKAF hair sponge set. It comes with 4 different items in here. You get the Afro hair twist sponge, you get a sponge glove, you get a pick for your hair like the pick comb, and you get a hair twist comb in the packet. Now, if you don't know what a twist sponge is, let me just go over it for you, because I was checking it out and thought my hair was not probably the right texture for it, but guess what? It may work on me too. So the curl sponge, also known as the hair twist sponge, is a hair tool that has holes and grooves which are used to enhance the curls, coils, and twists throughout your hair. They're typically available in a wide range of shapes, including oval, round, or rectangular shape, and have holes of different sizes on them. So many people have concerns about, is it bad for your hair? Will it damage your hair? Well, the curl sponge does not damage your hair, but when used incorrectly, it could cause hair breakage. So be aware of that. So today I'm going to try to help myself and you as well, if you're interested in this, how to use it. The success and failure of it entirely depends on how well you use it. To prevent damaging your hair, there are a few things to keep in mind. Never curl sponge on dry hair. Dampen your hair first, okay? So that's the first thing we got to know. Make sure your hair is damp. Perfectly understood. Wish I had known this before I even started the process, but I did go ahead and moisturize with this moisturizing curl activator stuff that I picked up. So I do have that part down without even knowing for sure what I was doing. So how to use it? Well, this tool works best on hair that is, of course, slightly damp. Now, I have 2 different ones that I'm going to use. On my left side, I'm going to go with the sponge, and on the right side, I will be using the comb, and I'll see which one is best for me. Now, my hair was moist, but not quite damp, so the next time I use it, I will make sure that it is damp so that the coils can really form. Now, there's 2 different sides to the sponge, and I subsequently learned that the flat side with the holes in it actually worked better for my hair in most instances. So I'm just going to go with that for right now. When I did this video, I realized that the comb was working better on the other side. So I choose the right side over the left side. So after I finish this left side, I'm checking it out like what? But I went ahead and start using the comb on the, oh well, this is my right side that I'm using the sponge on. So on the left side, I did the actual comb. But let's go and continue on learning about these tools and what to do. So you apply a twist or a lock gel on your hair, or you could use regular styling gel, just making sure your hair is slightly damp. Now, I don't have a lock gel. I don't want my hair to lock or anything like that. I just want a temporary fluff to my hair, which is what I mainly wanted to use this for. And it says you may also apply some of your own styling products to the sponge, which I don't want to do that because I'm not sure how durable the sponge is. I didn't want to, you know, mess it up and have to wash it out and it subsequently tears up because I don't have a backup. So I didn't do it on the sponge, but yet product did get all over the sponge. So that's why I was like leaning towards the comb. So you can use the sponge and go in a circular motion across your head, making sure that you go in one direction only, because if you go in the reverse order, or if you go clockwise and then you go counterclockwise, you're actually unlocking what you just did. Okay, so do not press heavily on your hair. And that was the other thing. I was probably going a little bit too hard at first, but you know, I did lighten up, and within minutes you will have a head of perfectly formed twist or tighter curls or coils, or however your hair takes to this entire little process, which I thought was really cool. Now, I don't know how well this is going to go off with my husband because he hates the dreads, he hates twists and all that stuff, but mine, hopefully it's not going to be so crazy looking. I just really want to define it because my hair started looking like really like not defined as it started growing out. So that's where I'm at right now. And as you can see, I've pretty much went all over my head with it. It almost looked like I have bald spots in my head, but not quite. But this is what it did. It just separated the curls and gave it a different looking hairstyle, basically. So I think I'm going to be into this, especially as my hair grows out. I really think this is a way that I can go ahead, because it's not going to work me just fluffing out my hair with the length coming in. I think this is a good way for me to style it while it's in this in-between stage, you know, too short to be long, too long to be short. It's getting to that point where I really didn't know what to do. So that's why I decided to check out the twist sponge and the twist comb. So that is what I wanted to share today. I am trying to see if I can give any more light to what the whole process is all about. However, you know, I don't know much about all of it, but all I know is that, you know, you have to kind of pinpoint which of the tools is going to work best for your hair. Will it be the sponge, the flat side with the holes, or will it be the side that's got the little egg crate looking shape to it? There's also a glove in here, which I tried, and I don't know if it really did a whole lot, but you know, this is an interesting little tool, or tools, so to speak. So, and I notice when I twist my hair like this, when I wake up in the morning, I still have some definition in the curls, and all I have to do is take the pick and kind of fluff it out some. But even though I do that, I still sometimes need a little bit more moisture in my hair. So, you know, it's still best to go ahead and do your normal hair cure, whatever you do to dampen your hair and moisten the hair, and then go in and still define it a little bit more with the sponge or the comb. But at first, like I said, I was leaning towards more of the comb, but now that I've worked with it a little bit more, I am figuring out that the flat side of the sponge with the holes is my preferred side to use when it comes to the twist. But overall, this is it. I just wanted to share my thoughts about it and how this will work on my hair. Of course, you'll be seeing the style probably frequently on my channel, so check it out. Now you know how I got my hair like this, and I thought it was pretty cool. But, you know, everybody's not for it, but I'm kind of liking what I see. So I may try other tools as it goes along, because I know this sponge is probably not going to endure for tons and tons of usage, and they are pretty affordable, so I will definitely be picking up different kinds as I go along, and I'll show you how I style my hair with that. But I'll make sure I moisten it more. I think I'm gonna get me some kind of a sheen to my hair. Normally I use glycerin. At night I use castor oil sometimes, but castor oil is not the scent I want on my hair. I'm going to get me some kind of, you know, like fancy schmancy little smell good to handle that part of it. But overall, beautiful babes, this is it. Just want to share this fun with you all, and hope you check it out. This again I got from Amazon. The link I do have my link down below for my Amazon store. Check it out if you're interested, if you're rocking a short style and kind of in that in-between stage of not knowing what to do with it. I think this is a cool tool to use. So in the meantime and in between time, babes, beautiful babes, like, comment, subscribe, and please keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. See you next time. Bye now.